Namaste, hi guys, hi folks, hi amigos. I am presenting you once again NAMRATH.N and everything. This video is much more different. Yes, it is really different. So fasten your seatbelts. Time to get furious and roar the sky. Top fighter jets of 2019. Before looking at the list, let us see what are the features of 5th generation fighter aircraft. All aspects health armed, low probability of intercept radar, high performance airframes, advanced avionics, highly integrated computer systems capable of connecting to other systems for situation awareness. At 10th, it is Dassault Rafale from Dassault Defense Company. For Indians, I need not say much about this. Everybody knows. It began officially to fly on 2001 and cost around 74 million euros, operated by France, India, Egypt and Qatar. At 9th, it is McDonnell Douglas F-15 Eagle. Will be retiring on 2022. Fly close to 2700 km per hour and cost around 30 US million dollars, operated by US, Japan, Saudi Arabia and Israel. At 8, it is J-17 Thunder, joint cooperation of Chengdu Aircraft Industries, China and Pakistan Aeronautical Complex. Cost around 28 US million dollars, operated by Pakistan, Myanmar and Nigeria mainly. Officially started to fly on 2007. At 7th, it is our own Tejas by HAL India. Cost around 64 US million dollars, operated only by India right now. Officially started to fly on 2015. At 6th, Eurofighter Typhoon from Eurofighter Jagdflugzeug GmbH, operated by Austria, Germany, Italy, Kuwait, Oman, Qatar, Saudi Arabia, Spain and UK. Fly close to 2500 km per hour. Officially started to fly on 2003. At 5, it is Lockheed Martin F-22 Raptor, already retired, but it is the first 5th generation aircraft in the world, only operated by US, and the cost is 150 million US dollars. It has features of super cruise, super maneuverability, stealth and sensor fusion. At 4th, it is MiG-35 from Russia, 4++ generation aircraft, cost around 40 US million dollars, operated by Russia and Egypt, but officially it to fly maybe this year. At 3rd, it is from China, Shenyang F-31, 5th generation aircraft, cost around 70 US million dollars, from China, only operated by China. Yet to fly officially. At 2nd, again from China, Chengdu J-20. It is the first 5th generation aircraft of Asia. Fly more than 3000 km per hour. Cost around 50 US million dollars. Only operated by China. At 1, there are 2 aircraft. The first one is Sukhoi Su-57 of Russia. It to fly officially, but it is the first 5th generation aircraft to tick all box. All the features. Cost around 50 US million dollars, operated by Russia. India will look at this from 2020, hopefully. It is said. Other aircraft is the lady guy, the Brahma Bull, Lockheed Martin F-35 Lightning II. Officially started to fly on 2006, will end on 2070, cost around 1.5 US dollars trillion, operated by Australia, Belgium, Denmark, Israel, Italy, Germany, Netherlands, Norway, South Korea, Turkey, US, Italy, Japan, South Korea, Turkey, UK, US and again US. There are 3 types, F-35A, F-35B and F-35C. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please share and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Have a nice day.